It's day 17 of the Mystery Advent Puzzle. What are we building? Today we aren't starting with the box of random pieces. We are going into the inventory and finally connecting some big pieces. It is all coming together this week. And after a few more pieces, it was time to go into the box of random pieces. And today was quite the yield, because I got piece after piece after piece again. And the picture is just coming together so nicely. I've been getting a lot of guesses of what you guys think this puzzle is. And I have my own guesses, but it is just so fun seeing the mystery being unveiled every single day. And then we got a little visitor, Aurora, and she didn't stop. She came back almost 10 times during this build. She just wanted all of the scritchy scratches, and after she was finally satisfied, I could go into this corner and try and build as much as possible, because I haven't touched this section since literally day one, except for literally the corner piece, because that I just wanted to put in place immediately. But I needed to keep it exciting so we can all see some good progress on day 17. So follow along for more.